So one of the most important questions anybody can ask when they're looking at our work is, why choose PT for proof? There are a lot of ways to make claims, to claim you have proof that something is better than something else. The first way is just declare it. It's sort of branding. You say, hey, my product is great. They've all been great. You trust me, they're great. The second way you can do it is to say that you tested it. Hey, my product beat this product because I ran tests. Here are the tests I ran. The problem with that, of course, is that there's a believability gap between what companies say, even when it's their own tests, and what buyers will believe. A third way is to hire an independent third party, or to hope an independent third party does it. I say hope because you can hope that the press does it. But for the press to do it, it has to be the kind of product that gets press. They have to have the expertise to do it, and they have to pay attention to your product. And they won't do it on a schedule that will help with your marketing. You can also hire a company like PT that can do this for you. And PT will go hands-on with your product, looking at your target audience, your target use cases, the competition, and really use the product the way buyers would. There's a really big question that comes with choosing a third party, because you're paying PT. And that question for buyers is, why should I trust PT's results? Don't trust us. Verify. And so with every test that we do, we give the complete methodology, the cookbook, what we did, everything we did, so that anybody with the right hardware, software, and expertise could recreate our test. And we give that with every report. Nowadays, and for many years, we put it in a separate document called the science behind the report. And it is science, and you can go and actually reproduce this. So you don't need to trust, you can verify. And buyers can trust, therefore, that PT has done it right. They can see what PT did, that it's fully disclosed, and that those results are ones they can make purchase decisions on.